Hi there, my name's Collette Mitrega, a Thermomix consultant here in Australia. Today we are looking at the rice cooker mode in the beautiful new TM7. So this is a manual cook, so I'm heading into my settings and I'm cooking on the rice cooker mode. And the great news is that you can cook up to 500 grams of rice, a lot more than before. And of course you can cook different types of rice. I'm using a Jasmine rice today, which will be a kind of a sticky rice, but you can do your sushis, your basmatis, your bulgur wheats and other grains as well using this method. Now the rule of thumb is for every cup of rice or portion of rice, you use twice as much water. So I've just got a cup that went in, so I'm just going to add in 2 cups of water and a little bit more. So the rule of thumb is if you're cooking below 350 grams of rice, you want to add just over 2 tablespoons of water. If it's above the 350 grams, you want to add about 3 tablespoons of water. And remember, if you're pre-washing your rice, it's going to be a little bit wetter as well, so compensate for that. For taste, I'm just adding in a bit of oil and a little bit of salt. Popping the lid on, and good old Thermi is going to take care of the rest for me. Now there is a reset as the water is cooked into the rice. The Thermomix timing will reset, and usually it will go down by about 4 or 5 minutes, and as it then starts to steam, so it's not actually going to take those 29 minutes. Right, so here we go, counting down to the last couple of seconds. Now normally I like to leave the rice to sit in the bowl for a good 5 minutes to really fluff up, but I've just gone straight in now and we are just having a look at it. So here we go, my Jasmine rice cooked using the rice cooker mode. It's beautiful and flaky and absolutely perfect actually, very happy with that. There you go. How good does that look? Now, while we're here, let's just take a quick moment to talk about health and safety around rice. You need to refrigerate it within 2 hours. Don't let it sit on the bench because it can develop bacteria. It needs to be consumed within 48 hours. Obviously, keep it in the fridge. Don't reheat it more than once, and you can freeze it for up to a month. So super, super cool.